Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, karibu sana. So in today's video I did a mega haul and I am going to show you what I bought, mainly for the kitchen, for the laundry area, for the living room space. So I went to different stores, or rather I ordered stuff from different stores. I ordered from Smart Lady Home, Fanaka store. I also ordered from Home Decor 254, Labels Kenya, and Label Me Pantry. So those are, and Zion Kitchenware from Nakuru. The first 5 stores I've mentioned are from Nairobi. The last one, Zion Kitchenware, is in Nakuru. So I'm going to show you what I got in those stores. So for the first one, I'm going to start with Smart Lady. So I was on the hunt for pillowcases, and my style is modern farmhouse boho with a little bit of industrial. So I got this woven pillowcase and I love it. It's a very nice texture, by the way. So that is one. And then I was looking for something. Keep quiet, Sean. I was looking for something white, something black, something woven, and something leather. So I got this leather print. I think it's Aztec if I'm not wrong. So that's the second one I got from Smart Lady. So for pops of color, if you've watched my living room tour video, you know that there are 3 colors that I mentioned, which were navy blue, aqua, and yellow. So those are the colors that I am going for in my living room. So this is the price. This was 1,000. This was 1,000. This is a very big one. This was also 1,000. And then let me start with this one. Okay. So what I liked about them is how they packed each case individually so that color doesn't stain another one. So this is a white and it's a very lovely fabric. It's a white and aqua. And then I got this one. I don't know if this is aqua or sea green. I am not sure, but yay, it looks so lovely. This was 450. This was 800 bob. So I also wanted a black one, but they did not have them in stock. So I ordered one from Fanaka. So sai tumeingia what I bought from Fanaka store. And this is how it looks like. It's a black and it has a leather strip at the center. So that's one of the things I got from Fanaka. I also got some 4 roses. There are 5 of them. Each goes for 200 bob, but I think I would have gotten them much cheaper. There's a shop called, I think, Real Touch, Artificial Real Touch something on Instagram, and they were selling 10 of them for 1,000 bob. So I think I would have gotten one for 100 bob and I would have gotten double this for the same price, but it's okay, ni sawa. And then from Fanaka, I was on the hunt for a marble contact paper. I want to cover my kitchen counters, and also I want to cover my side tables. If you've watched my living room tour video, you know what I'm talking about. So this is this case was 900. The black and the leather case was 900. These were 1,000 for the bunch, and then this was 1,800. I think it's 5 meters. EV sijui ni ngapi, but I will. Sean, please keep quiet. So for the right measurement, the length is 5 meters, that I'm sure, but for the width I think it looks like 2 feet. Yeah, so this was 1800. Oh, and then this one, if you buy it from Fanaka, it's 900. If you wait until Smart Lady restocks, it's 800 bob, but I could not wait, so that's why I got it. Yeah, and then let us move to the next store. Pause. So the next store I went to was Home Decor 254, and here I got a couple of things. The first thing I got was this succulent. It has, what are these things called, pebbles, and then this is a faux plant. So yeah, and then I also, this was 900 shillings, and then I also got 2 eucalyptus. I don't know their stems or what. Yeah, so I got 2 of these. One was, how much was one? I think one was 550. I'll write the price below here if I am wrong. Hey, inaona itavunjika. Let me put it down here. So the next thing I bought was this pampas grass. I got 3 of them, and this is the small size. The big one goes for 550, and this is the small one. It goes for 450 each, so I got 3. And then I got garland beads. These are for my coffee table. I am going to decorate that. So these they have a shorter one, a smaller one than this. It goes for 300 bob, but this is the slightly bigger one. I think it's 1 meter. Yeah, this goes for 500 bob, and then they also have a bigger one than this. And then now I got a few things for the kitchen. I got fridge magnets, so I got these tiny ones. Okay, they're the biggest ones. These 3. The first one says, "I love you from my head, tomatoes." And then this second one says, "Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are." And then this one says, "This may sound cheesy, but you're really great." And then, oh, these were 150 each, so I got 3 of those. And then I have 2 love shaped ones. These are also fridge magnets. The first one says, "God goals and grind," and then this one says, "You have a pizza, my heart." So these 2, one was 125 bob, and then I got this one, this tiny one. This was 100 bob. It says it's the little things in life, and it's a lady carrying a very huge cup of coffee. And yeah, that's it. Oh, I also got a salt jar. That's how it looks. This is it's frosted, but it's not glass, by the way. And the label, you buy it separate. So the label, I think, is 25 bob, and then the jar you buy it at 350, if I am not wrong. And then I got cleaning brushes. So the first thing I bought was this thermos, or something to clean a really long thing. This was 550. I got a kitchen brush as well. Sean, keep quiet. I got a kitchen brush as well. This was also 550. And then I got a tiny one. Also, this was 550 as well. And that is it I got from Home Decor 254. Let's move to the next store. So the next store is Labels Kenya. They forgot to pack me. I ordered spice jars from them a while back, and they forgot to pack for me a spice label, this one. So I had to tulivutana before I got it delivered. So I had to order some other labels. They have, you get 10 labels I think for 200, so I ordered those so that they can be able to deliver this also to me. So this says vegetable oil, soy sauce, sugar, tea, biscuits, cookies, snacks. There's fabric softener, that I don't know if you can see that, that's fabric softener. Then there's laundry detergent. Now the next store, I got this. I think this is my favorite purchase. So this was from Me Pantry. They have an offer currently. The 4 liter normally goes for 2200, but they have an offer for, it's going for 1900 currently. So that's why I got the label, the laundry detergent. I want to use this for my laundry liquid detergent. And then I also got I hope I'm not butchering the name. I think it's a carafe jar. So I got this for my Stay Soft. So this was 330 or 320 if I am not wrong. So this is a 1 liter bottle. And then I also got 2 oil jars. So one of them I want to use it for vegetable oil because the one I have is really small, so I want to use that for olive oil. And then the other one I want to use it for soy sauce. One of them was going for 400 bob, so I got 2 of them for 800 shillings. And then I also got these jars from them. They're written zimeandikwa sanitizer, hands and dishes. So I want to use the dishes one for my dish liquid soap, and then the hands one I want to use it for hand wash. Then I had requested that I do not want this, the sanitizer one, so that they can swap it with another hands one, because since I have 2 bathrooms, I wanted to have each of them say hands. But the label they packed instead, you can't see it, it's a bit clear, but the label, instead of saying another hands, it says dishes. So this one won't even help me. Bit disappointed, but I love the jars. So that was Label Me Pantry. And then the last store that I bought from was Zion Kitchenware. These ones are located in Nakuru, Kimodo House. So I got this tissue holder. It's a bamboo tissue box. It looks like that. Even in a kandani, and then you just put your serviettes and close that. I think it's really pretty. And then I got cushion sheets because I want to line my drawers in the kitchen. So yeah, this is 30 centimeters by 5 meters. This was 500 bob. Yeah, online they sell them at 750, but I got this at 500. And then my second favorite purchase of all these has to be these jars. Just look at them. It's kotatu, by the way. Just give me some time. Nitoa hizi ziko huku. So they are that's how they look like. Pretty, right? So they're written coffee, tea, and sugar. I had bought a glass set earlier of canisters, oil dispensers, and salt and pepper shaker from MRP Home, but I'm not even going to blame my child. I broke both of those jars. Actually, all of them. I am going to insert one of them, how they look like. So I broke the sugar. First, I started breaking the tea canister, and then I broke the sugar one. And then the one that's left, the coffee one, is cracked. So I said I am not getting any more glass jars for sugar and tea. I got this, and I think they're really nice. They look really farmhouse, and I love them. Yeah, I think that is the end of this very long mega haul. So yeah, if you've gotten to this point, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up, comment down below on what you think about it, and I am going to insert the prices of everything or the stores and their links in the description box so that you don't miss out. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Like, comment down below on what you think about it, or what you think your favorite product is that I bought, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.